perception, they say beauty is in the eye of the beholder. You know, whatever people are seeing from you is what you're giving them. And so you have to focus on yourself, be specific about the way you want to be seen. Like, what image are you portraying? And if you're in business, take that time. Don't just say, I'm just going to be myself, I'm going to be who I am. Well, understand, you make money from what? From people. So if you make money from people, there's a certain impression that you have to leave on people. So you do have to impress them in a certain sense. And so you have to realize who's your target market. You're targeting them. How do I look to them? How do I sound to them? Am I putting out the right information? Am I accurate? Because if they fact check me, will it all add up? You just want to care about your clients, and you want to care about people that you want to be your clients. So that starts with self-care. So everything goes back to the self again. So take that time, analyze yourself, and be specific about what you want to portray and what you want to project.